CapCut template not showing on TikTok. Hello guys, so if you want to fix this problem, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then you have to open the apps manager. After that, you have now to go to the apps and wait a few seconds. It will start loading like this. And after that, you have to scroll down until you find TikTok. When you find it, click on it and then click on this force stop option to stop running the app. And after that, you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for TikTok and update it. After you update it, now you have to search for CapCut and download it on your phone. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.